This is a beautiful piece that I just got in here. It's a bamboo chair that is huge, about 6 feet high and magnificent. Have lots of detail, lots of work everywhere, and have lots of damage on the bottom. That's totally rotten and broken. I still don't know exactly how I'm going to fix this, but I have to come up with an idea to be able to fix this. Most of the pieces are coming out like you pull it. See, it's totally small pieces are coming in your hand, and the water damage probably sit in the rain or something like that, and the weight is totally damaged. But it's very beautiful piece, probably hundreds of years old. It's the top of it and the seat.